Hi, I'm going to give away this cool little gadget that I've made. It's a Tesla coil kit. I've shown you in a different video how it operates and the way I've actually built it to put the kit together and assembled it. It's all shown in a different video, but I'm just going to give away this kit with the neon light that you can turn this on. All it is basically is a Tesla coil with the transistor and the circuit that goes with it, with a switch here, and you power it up with any voltage between 6 to 24 volts, and this remotely turns this lamp on, and you can turn any energy saving lights at the proximity of this coil on. So it's a cool gadget, and you can do electrical magic. You can hide it under a cover or under a table and put a lamp next to it or near it, and it'll turn on, and you can show and prove that you have free energy, like lots of people have done, and they claim to have free energy. This is not free energy, by the way, but I'm just saying this is a cool thing to just joke around and or claim that you have free energy. You can do that as well. Anyway, I'm going to give away this. I'm going to pull a draw, put all your names in a draw, and take one out by random. At the end of November, I'll take a draw, and whoever wins, then I'll contact and I'll ask you for your address, your postal address. No matter where you are in the world, I'll send you this for free, absolutely free, and I won't ask you for postage fees either. I won't ask you for anything. All I'm asking for people to do is to subscribe to my channel, comment under this video that you've done that, and share this video. What I want to do is, by the end of November, I want to hit 1,000 subscribers. At the moment I'm around 700, so I only need 300 more, and if I achieve that goal from this moment, where my subscribers are around 700 to 1,000, I'll put all your names in a draw, and then I'll pull out, and whoever wins, I'll send this out to that person. I'll ask your address then when you win. So do that, and that has to happen by the end of November 2020. We haven't got long to go, but I haven't got that many subscribers to get 2,000 either. That's my goal, and this is your goal. See you then. Bye bye.